Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can install the Apple keyboard on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to have the keyboard from Apple on our Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, we need to install a third-party app. So go to Play Store and then search for green Apple keyboard. Select this app and then press install. Now let's wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. And then let's open the app. Now over here we need to enable the app in the settings, so let's go here, choose default keyboard. Instead of default keyboard we need to press the slider over here. It's on a green Apple keyboard, and let's press OK, and there we go. Now we should have another option, switch inputs. There we go, choose this one, and then we are finished. So now if we open our keyboard, let's go to notes as an example. Let's quickly skip, let's create a new, and there we go, we have the keyboard from Apple. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.